Thank you, America. Thank you. God bless you. I love you. Thank you. That sure felt good right there, Michelle. That was good. What? What?
I saw you looking at that white girl.
Come on. I was looking at a white girl. That was a one white vote. So relax.
I'll beat your ass.
I swear, if you hit me, I swear, I'll sue the shit out of you. Don't hit me. Michelle, I tell you. Now, what the fuck is wrong with you? This is bullshit.
There's a lot of people out here that want to see you dead. They don't want to see you as a first black president. I'm trying to look out for your ass.
I understand there's haters out there. Jesse Jackson, all those niggas want my position. I told you, I got this. I run this world. The world is mine. Whose world is this?
You better watch yourself.
Who that is?
Sir, George Clooney's in town. He wants to know about poker tonight.
Tell George I'll be there. There's plenty of bitches.
No. Would you think I'm stupid or something? No, he cannot go. He's going to be playing poker here, okay? Thank you, bye-bye. He's not going. And don't come back here with that bullshit. I'll beat the shit out of you. Get out of here. Get your...
See, you're tripping, Mimi. This is bullshit. This is tripping. We're going to be in the White House. You know I'm going to have to deal with hoes. You see what happened to Bill?
No. I'm trying to look out for your safety, okay?
Yeah?
You know, they killed Kennedy in his own parade. Baby, I'm sorry, but if they miss this head, they definitely going to hit these
Get up
ears.
off my damn ears, man. That's bullshit. And I'm strapped. I'm going to be the first president to fire back on a bitch.
Oh, it's like that?
Yeah, it's like that. Shit.
And what are you doing?
I'm about to blaze one for the poor one. What the fuck you think I'm about to do?
See, that's why your lips all purple now, because you keep smoking that shit.
No, my lips are purple because I ate your from the back over at Carl's Jr. the other night. Come on, who is it?
Sir, word just got in. Senator Clinton says that you're trying to steal her speeches.
If you kick that door open one more time, you're going to be working at Walmart, motherfucker. Tell him, Yorkshire Terrier looking bitch, I don't steal. I'm for real. Fucking keep singing, guy. You like that?
That's what I'm talking about, Daddy. I like that shit. You know, that's what's up.
Yeah. Why don't you go upstairs and get butt naked and wait for me to hit you in the one that stinks and not the one that winks.
You is nasty.
Yeah.
We gonna have some fun with this.
Give me the blunt back, Mimi. I'm the one you ain't getting any speech today.